Hello everyone. So today actually I'm gonna open this package. We just bought a new pump for our sink in the van. So this one's supposed to be quiet. I'm gonna run the test between both of them and you're gonna find out what I'm talking about. So the other one actually is pretty small, but this one is pretty quiet, bigger. But hopefully this one gets the job done better. So this is the pump itself. I'm gonna compare both of them size wise and you guys see what I'm talking about. And the stuff it coming with it. Let's get it out. And this one's supposed to be adjustable, pressure wise and speed wise. So this is the wiring, and the stuff comes with it to connect or disconnect this stuff. This is a filter for the water, and this is connectors for the hoses, and some tape and some other tool come with it. So that's all I got it for the pump. So I'm gonna go get the other one out and replace this one with that one. So yeah. So this one is the one we had, and as you guys see, the size wise can be smaller. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put them together and you can see in comparison, but it's here. So let me run it and see which one is quieter, which one is louder, and then we're gonna see the difference between these two. Okay guys, so in comparison, you guys see the new one is almost twice as the older one we have, but still I didn't put it on, and I just wanted you guys see the sizes. This one is bigger and this one is adjustable, as it says, so, and much quieter as they explain it. I put it a little bit. So let me try it and see how it goes, and then you guys gonna see the difference with me. Okay guys, so right now it has been hooked up, so let's run and see the difference. Definitely much quieter and pretty good actually purchase. So as you guys see, it's running. Turn it off. So I don't know what is that throttling for, but as it comes to being a quiet pump, definitely is much quieter. So yeah, maybe it is getting empty, and then when I start running it, because I don't see any bending hoses and stuff like that, so I don't know why I hear that sound. But it is definitely much quieter. Okay guys, so actually I hooked it up, and here's a regulator. Hopefully I can mention it here. Let me see. The regulator is right here. So this screw, this Allen key screw, Allen driver or screwdriver, or how I can say it, the Allen key goes there, and I adjusted it in. I adjusted all the way in. So right now let's try it and test it and see how it looks like. So Let's try it right now. Very quiet. Like, I'm gonna put the other one's sound and this one, and you guys gonna compare and see what I'm talking about. So I'm getting as close as possible to the pump. See, it's much quieter, like very, very quiet. Very happy with the purchase. It's right running, and here we are. So all the jars, this is our supply water, all filled up, and we are ready for our next trip. Let's run it for one more time. And you guys see, much quieter, and you can use the other one. So I'm gonna put both pumps together and you guys see the difference. So hopefully this video actually helped, and like and subscribe to our channel to see more with us, more projects and more adventures with us. I will see you guys in the next video. And if you guys hear some air voice, actually my neighbor just cleaning his car.